What's up, Kid Too Technical? I'm back again with another video, and as you can see, I do have a case from Humixx. They were kind enough to send me this case out, and this will be a paid video. I just wanted to put that out there, let you know that this is a paid video, but I can still say whatever I feel about this case. This is the blue variant. It's just from Humixx. It's made in China. Pretty much it doesn't really have any other information. It just says cell phone case, strong protection, simple and protect, quality of life. And I've had cases from them before, and they are what they say they are. So this is the case that they were kind enough to send me out to check out. It has built-in MagSafe kickstand. As you can see, it is like a darkish blue around the edges, around the camera bump, and it's clear, and it is a hard shell. Nothing too rough, nothing too flimsy. It's not flimsy. It does feel good in the hand. So first we're going to pick up my iPhone 15 Pro Max and place it in like so. And this is what you will get with this case from Humixx. If you turn it around on the back, you do get a nice cutout for your camera. So if you place your phone flat down on the table on the camera bump, you should be good to go. You do get a nice lip for some lip protection. So if you drop this flat down on the table, you should be good to go. I just recommend you have on a tempered glass screen protector like I do. At the bottom here, you do get all of your ports and cutouts that are supposed to be there. On this side, you get a button for your power button. It's nice and clicky, as you can see, no problem. On this side, you do get access to a lanyard loop if that's something that you're into. And then you also get access to your action button. It's actually a button, and I can press it just like that. You do get access to your volume up and down button. They do feel and look nice. I will recommend you to carry a wipe around with you when you are using this case, because it is a little slippery and it does get fingerprints. But overall, this is a nice looking and feeling case. So now let's try out that MagSafe capability. And it works just like it said it would. But don't worry and don't fret if you do not have a MagSafe capable wireless charger. You should be able to charge this just wirelessly. So let's see if we can get a connection. And just like that, you can charge it wirelessly. But say you do not have either of these, and you want to be the old person that wants to actually plug in their plug in their phone to a USB cable, then let's see how easy it is. Just like that, you can plug it in, no problem. So you do not have to worry about taking this case off to charge the phone, because as you can see, it's charging the phone with the case just like that. Overall, I would recommend this case. I will drop a link in the description to where you can go find this case for yourself. Also, you do get that MagSafe ring. It doubles as MagSafe, but it is also a kickstand, so you can use it for watching your YouTube videos or watching movies, or you can use it in this mode. If you want to do a little bit of typing, you'll be good to go. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.